see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Pasok kami dito sa Foodland para bili ng liver tapos biglet. Ay, ang ganda ng Foodland nyo.
Maganda. Malamig dito. Grabe sila ng
Pa-aircon, mayaman sila sa AC. Hanapin natin yung
Andun sa
dulo.
layo.
And guys, dalawa? Oo, $2 something or 3. Puso gusto mo?
Oh, ewan ko. Ikaw naman, ano?
Oh, sige. Eto, pwede yan.
Tapos, oh, mga ano, oh, yan.
Ayan. Dalawa mo. Ay, guys, may ulo ng baboy. Ang sarap nito. Ano?
Ito pala silang manay na pork soup bones.
Oh, ayan, ang dami. Wala kaming ano. Ang dami nyo sa Foodland.
Ito pala, para aso to.
Oh, mga aso tayo. Wait. Oo, yan na. Ayan, bahay na kami ni Ray. And, tuturuan ko na siya magluto nito. Kasi matagal-tagal pa ako.
ChonaAndMyKids.
Ayan, oh. Ayan yung...
Which one?
Which one you want? Yung mga...
We have this.
Which one you want, Mama?
We have this.
This one.
That's good.
That's really good. Careful.
Ayun yan, sweet. Parang ako lang yan.
That one. Okay, say what you
Gotcha.
say. No,
That one,
that one is gonna share. Sharing is good.
Yeah. After you finish that, you can choose another one. Go.
Nice, honey. Oh, mas okay. Ayan, yung binili ko hindi niya gusto kasi malaki. So, ito $6 lang daw. Oh. $6. Ray, $6.
They have good stuff there.
And I just thought I'd get this t-shirt to go with new shorts.
Siya na lang kami nag-shopping.
Siya na, hindi talaga pwede.
They got heaps of stuff there.
And Kmart? Oh, di sa Kmart na tayo
You
bumili.
got heaps more than we got.
Yeah, we don't have nothing at Kmart.
You got heaps of clothes and everything.
Wala. Ayan yung binili niya sa Kmart. Oh, $6.
I hope not. I tried getting that off.
Oh, how much, honey, the t-shirt?
Bargain. 6 bucks?
I spent $10 on it.
$10, so $16.
Good material.
Nice.
No, Kmart, guys. Ala, sinuntok mo si daddy mo doon.
Come on, pick up and go.
We're going. Mauna na sila. You can... Baba, come here. I'll have this. Oh, come here. Don't say that.
Honey, I'll show you, Papa.
Go to... No, not yet. No, not yet.
This.
Wow.
What is that? What's this, Mama? What's this?
What's that? Ano namin siya kasi mauna na yung mga boys. Mag-swimming. Niloloko siya ng tita. Wala na yung mga boys. Wala pa dahil. Hindi ko pa naririnig yung pintuan. Kasi hindi pa kami tapos. So, linagay ko na pala yung liver.
Lucky girl.
And you wait, Baba, I have something for you. Yum.
Oh, yummy.
Okay, what? Only, what, Baba? Don't make a mess. I'll take it, daw.
I'll take it.
Di ba linaw na, oh? Ayan na yung pantry ni Race, oh. Organized na.
Organized na.
Kitang-kita na patang ilalim. Ayan. Oo. Ayan, guys. Paubos na yung water.
Masarap, guys.
Uy, Day! Kita tayo doon. Kinukuot mo ako, Day. Uy!
Hindi siya matigas.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Gina-judge niya. Sabi niya matigas. Tikman mo, hindi yan matigas. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, batik ko nun, di ba matigas? Pero ito hindi.
Doon lang kami kumakain ng batikon, barbecue, at saka yung alcohol, barbecue
Ito, dito hindi. Oh, hindi siya matigas. Ayan. Ito na, masyusyok na siya.
Okay na?
Okay na siya. Ayan, wala na siyang water.
Wala na.
Ayan, wala na.
Kailangan natin sa fridge?
Hindi. Mamaya na, pag malamig na siya, patayin. Okay, and can you please remove your camera here, please? And ready your air fryer.
Air fryer! Wala pala ayaw na sabihin!
Ayan, guys. Pero pag wala kayong air fryer, pwede niyong i-fry. Pwede siyang i-fry. Pero may air fryer kami, Kaya sa air fryer.
May air fryer kami.
Kaya kung mayroon dyan sa Philips, bili kayo. Very helpful. Healthy. Ayan.
Oh, air fryer. Ay, ang sikreto mo.
Pet! Kaya sabi ko, watch out ka tomorrow.
Sabi sa akin, kahapon ko kasi.
Pero ito, human, kahit saan mo na gusto. Ayan, luto na siya, guys. O, diba? Ang golden niya. Ito talaga. Golden siya, tapos na end.
Natanggal daw ni Neil yung sensor. Yes?
Ayan, ready na kami kasi magsiswimming kami. Pinahiram ako ni Riz ng swimsuit. And,
It's so hot.
ano siya, guys? Sarap. Extra small, pero hindi yan totoo.
Sa'yo na yan, kasi sa'yo.
Oh, akin na to. Thank you. So, hindi natin ito hiniram. Binigay pala ito ni Silver Rice. Kasi hindi naman namin alam na magsiswimming. Unplan naman to. Ang mga unplan natutuloy, no? So, ayan. Tapos, naalis na kami. Ayan. Papunta na kami doon sa mama ni Dan. Ay, madam siya. Umiyak si Holly kasi ayaw niya maupo sa car seat. Si Panda linagay niya sa car seat. Mas safe daw doon si Panda. Ikaw talaga hintayin pa niya yan. Yeah, dito na kami sa ano nila Dan. Hello? Okay na baba? Okay. Ayan mama ni Dan. Oh, ang bait. Sorry. Hi boys, is it fun here? Are you being good? Huh?
Put the legs in, okay?
Okay, baba. What are your legs?
Dito na sila. Hello! Does she need coffee?
What's up with the legs?
Put the ladies on it, okay? Oh, that's good.
Do you like it, Baba? Do you like it?
Danny, I'll put the floaties on the okay.
Baba? Yeah, they know how to swim?
And do you know how to swim?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good then.
Go, Baba, don't. Go there.
Go for it.
Please get swim down. No, she doesn't know how to swim.
Stand up.
I'll use the noodles.
Stop squirting, Mum. It's
No, I have a camera. Thank you. Don't. Hoy, may camera. Diyan yun, oh. Ang init pa. Hi, Bella. Ay, dog. Ang bait ng dog. Tingnan, oh. Ang ganda. Tama. Perfect. Oh, perfect yung size ng pool, no? Tapos may ano pa sila, oh. Ang ganda naman dito mag-family party daw. Like, ang grass green na green. Han, look at this grass, Han. Han. Tingnan mo yung lawn, oh.
Pero dito.
Guys, ang daming grapes. Ang tamis. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan, oh.
Meron din silang ano dito ngayon.
Ang tamis, guys.
Kiss ba yan?
Oo.
May apple sila.
Uy, ang liit ng ano nila, ha? Ang liit ng lang, pero ang dami lang prutas dito. Ang tamis nito, guys. May lime. Lime or lemon? Lime or lemon?
Baka lime kasi
Lime o green. Tapos eto lemon. Ang mahal, day. Ang mahal nito sa Asian
May
store.
apple. Ito apple to.
Ang sarap.
Yan.
Ang sarap ng green.
Kita mo yung apple sa likod.
Ay, yung apple. Green apple, day.
Okay na.
Pitas tayo, day. Tamo, diba? Ang dami, oh.
I know. It's like grab it.
Tingnan mo to. Ano to, day?
Mo daw lahat.
Ay! Uy, ang ganda, day.
Diba?
Oh, fresh. Wait lang. Eto, hindi mo na kailangan hugasan kasi dito to. Organic to, guys.
Sino nalologlog lang sila? Kasi wala namang kumakain.
Ay, ang crispy. Ay, ang crispy niya, day.
Ang dami pa sa likod, oh.
Dito na sila. Hi. Andito na si Kat. Sexy si Kat.
We brought rice.
Oh, really? We bought rice. Of course we bought rice.
Of course, we did.
Pagbuang.
This.
Of course it's good.
Try. Smell garlic.
You wanna try it? Yeah. Sige, try.
Okay, try.
Wait first. You can eat it.
Ipatry sa...
Anna, you wanna try the other one first?
Oh, that one. Hey?
What is it? Is it chewy?
It's made of some sort.
Yeah. It's
Is it good?
It's chicken.
You like it?
Yeah, part of chicken.
You like it? Kinakain niya yung ano batikon mo. Different.
You like it?
With a bit of sauce on it.
Yes, well, yes we do. Ay, Filipino na siya.
It needs something. What is it?
Yeah.
It's spicy. It's spicy. You like spicy? Oh, good.
So that's
Oh,
one.
good.
Another one. Do you like it?
Oh,
We love eating this with rice. She cooked it for me today, and I miss this.
oh,
So I
good.
cooked this. It's hard. I know now how to cook it. She showed me. But yeah, it's very nice. Did she teach you how to?
Yeah, you have to watch her vlog.
Vlog this. I filmed this.
Try mo yung isa, Day.
How about this one? Baka suntokin pa.
What are you doing?
And try this one.
Yeah, why not?
Ay, very good.
Or not?
Different one.
Dip it.
Yeah, you can dip it, but yeah.
I prefer dipping it.
Yeah, I like
But I'll eat it either way. It's so good.
Oh my god! You like it?
Is that kidney? It's liver.
It's liver. Chicken liver.
Yeah, chicken
You like
liver.
it?
And
Oh, good.
It's different than normal what we do it.
no, she.
Sharon, do you eat lamb's fried bacon?
No.
No? Okay.
We
That's
used
what that
to.
is, like,
We used to.
Similar.
We used
But I cook it like you. It's not.
She cooked it really well though. Like the
Different, it's not-
flavor is so good.
Ours is more mushy.
Yeah, that one is
I don't
hard.
like that. That's why I don't eat it.
Air fry.
Air fry.
My dad used to fry liver.
Hindi niya na.
Hindi mo na napanood yung vlog.
Manood ka ng vlog.
Pa niya na ma-vlog ko.
Hintayin mo daw.
Yun yung sekreto niya.
Ayan, chinange ko yung nappy ni Holly kasi yung suit niya kanina is yung regular. Ayan, para na siyang pillow dahil hindi to pang swimming. So, ayun, naka-swimming na siya. Ang bigat, oh. So, ayan na siya, oh. Really heavy, Baba. Yeah, it's like a pillow. Oh, yes. Okay, you go swim now. Go, Papa. Don't jump, okay?
Salamat mga wala mga Hindi shopping. Ilang ano din kasi ito pinakuluan. Tagal uy na. Pinaubos namin yung tubig. Yeah. Do you want more? Do you want more of the liver?
Nah.
I know it's wet. Where's it? Oh, what is it?
Water.
Oh, that's it. Sorry. What is this?
That's what we're looking for.
Yun lang pala. Ang sarap.
Easy.
Thank you. Hindi maalat, di ba? Hindi tama naman.
Okay na ba ito? Kaya ba yan? Sabi niya, ba't yung sabi niya? Sabi. Okay lang, walang problema yan.
You might as well eat your pizza before the kids come.
Yeah.
Makes it easy.
Ayan. Sinil saan? Doon sa floaty. Ayan, yung fried rice kaninang umagang linuto ni Race. Ito yung kakainin ng mga lalaki. Ayan, nagluto kayo ng nuggets, then fries, and chicken. Binili ni Dan somewhere. Ayan. Diba? Andun pa sila. Ayaw nilang umalis. 8, ano na dahil? 8:20?
Kaya nga, ipakainin natin sa
Okay. Ayan, ayaw pa nilang umalis sa pool. Kuya, don't move, kuya. Move. Don't move.
Because what happens, it works on braking. Sort of come on as it's going around resistance it back again. So it does that, and you can feel it.
Ayan, kumakain na yung mga boys. And dito yung kids.
Chips, please.
Hello. Chicken, chicken. Parang ate to. Ate talaga siya. Oh. Are you looking after baby Veronica?
More, please.
More what, Baba?
It's finished.
It's what?
Finished.
You're finished? No? No, it's not finished, Baba.
I just finished.
Ah, you just finished.
Mom, get wet here.
Uy, ang cute nilang dalawa.
Mom, I'll get wet here too.
Kahapon pa. Mamaya. Magsiswimming kami mamaya. Are you right, Papa? Mommy fix you. Ay, ang babo. Tingnan mo sila doon, guys. Sino? Veronica at sila si Holly. Ang puto nila.
I am lighting. Oh,
I'm going to move on first. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Good.
Madilim yung akin man.
Madilim sa'yo? Put hip. Do you got more there, Baba?
finish that one first, Baba. Yan, Baba. Kaya pala mga sandalo kumain. Gusto nyo may kasabay. Don't put everything in your mouth, ha?
What are you saying, Papa? It's alright. She's alright. She's alright, Papa.
Don't like it.
Don't like that, Baba. Come on.
Come here.
It's okay, Papa.
Nagagad siya. Come on, Baba. You're not scared? Natakot si baby Veronica sa aso kaya umalis na siya dun, oh. Gutom na sila. Ayan, mayroon silang ano, oy. Manners, ha? Manners. Manners, ha? Manners. For $1. Manners. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. What you gonna say, Holly? What you gonna say? What you say? Thank you.
Can you get for Andrew for red?
Yeah. Si Doc.
You know how to do this, Baba? Yung ano mo, gawin mo yung ano, yung then
Ha?
versus now ba? Tapos save.
Wait, Papa. No. Wait. Wait for mommy. Wait for mommy. Ayan.
Nappy though.
Tapos na sila mag-dinner. Ayan, balik ulit sa pool. 8:30 na. Mayroon akong nappy.
I'm not in nappy,
Oh, ayan na si Holly. Good job.
like a nappy change.
Yeah. I'll grab one.
Ayan, mag-swimming na kami nila Kat and Race. Ang dilim na, oh. Dito tayo mag-swimming.
Because you were cold.
We're not cracking up at him then.
That's the most craziest.
So you did very well with not cracking up at him.
You are! You're a psycho. You're the crazy one. Are you the crazy one? No, no gun, no shooting, no gun.
Daniel's some old lady. She's got the old women who can't go anybody else.
No.
Got it! Puppy! Puppy!
But no, you guys shoot it to people. You guys can't have it anymore. You can speak. No guns, no guns. Two people. Rio, can you put that on the roof?
Don't put it on the roof.
That's just
We
something.
can't go after. Don't put it on the roof.
No, put it on the roof. We'll get it before we leave.
Okay. be ringing you up, Neil. Come take it off the road. Don't remember, Neil.
I want to go.
Yeah, it's cooking at 35 degrees plus.
Oh, baby!
Very sweet. Very sweet.
Help me swim. Okay, take me. Oh. Daddy.
He's fine. He loves
I
it.
know.
See that kid?
Do it again.
I'll push him towards you. You've got the vortex. There's not too many people here. Okay, I'll throw it. That will be very fun. Ready?
Now wait, Dad, you'll see people around now.
Ready? I'll throw you over. Ready? 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 One.
And you'll baby around.
She's alright. She's alright.
No, she can swim. She can swim.
No one's died yet in this pool. We had 2 people drown, but we brought them back to life.
What is Mark?
Big Mark. Big Mark. Little Mark? Big Mark. Big Mark.
Big Mark. Ginano niya. Ginano niya sa ilalim. Siya dinag-save. Siya dinag-save. Tinyanig sa ating marunong. Big Mark.
I can't throw you again. I'll get in trouble.
Oh, gusto niya raft na ano. Tinatapon si Sak ni Dan. Gustong gusto niya.
Mom, look.
Wow! Good girl! Good job! I am going in, Baba. Yes? Get. Ayaw ni Holly na umalis. Bye. Nagbay na siya.
Holly, bye.
Bye. Bye, Holly. Well, I'm going back home. See ya. Okay? See ya. Wait. No, wait. Oh, wait. I'm going back home, Baba. I'm going, yeah. We're going. Yes, with Tito Dan. Yes, with Tito Dan. Come on.
The pool is closing.
The pool is closing. Bedtime. See, it's dark.
Yeah.
Come on.
Mom.
Ano na? 9:30 na, guys. It's up to you. Come on, Baba. Hoy. Niloloko niya ako. Ayaw.
Whoa.
Bye. I'm going to Tita Ray's house. Tita Ray's house. Huh? Come on, Baba.
Come on, Baba, let's take a shower. Come on.
Come on. Come on, Baba. Ayaw niya talaga. Ayaw nila umalis, oh. Halika na. Ha? come on, shower. I got her shower, come on.
Did you raise your wearing the Gold Coast down?
Am I? Oh, is this yours?
No, come on.
Ah, Gold Coast pala,
She
sorry.
got the Gold Coast.
Ayan, sumama na siya.
She's four. She's four.
Mama din siya kay Tita Race niya. Oh. Dandan, Tita Race. Go. Ayan sila, oh. Magti 10 o'clock. Nandito pa rin kami sa bahay ng... Uy, Baba, no. Nandito pa rin kami sa bahay ng mommy ni Dan. And tingnan mo sila. Nandito sila sa kids room. Ayan, oh. Kinuha ni Holly si Panda. Yung boys pagod na kakaswimming.
Nothing on.
Yes.
FAMILYVLOG travel course.
Travel, guys. Okay. You can watch that. That's like you're gonna travel. Yeah. Baba, you have to be careful here. Here, you have to go here, Baba, this way. So you can see the TV. Okay? Are you tired, boys? No? You're not tired? How about you? Are you tired? Do you like it here? Yes. You want here? You're not tired? You like the swimming pool? Alright. Nandun kami sa labas, oh. Tingnan mo sila, oh, at home. Yan, tahimik na yung pool. Ando na yung tatlo sa lounge ng mama ni Dan. Nanonood silang TV at nagre-relax. They're going home, Baba. Tita Race.
Let's go now. We're going home.
Bye, nagbabay siya dahil nag-gay siya, oh. Yan sila, oh. Kiss mo ng ate, oh. Kiss mo ng baby. Say bye, may tired na si Veronica. Bye-bye. Oy, oh, kiss daw. No, bye. Oh, magpapaiwan na siya dito. Bye. Bye.
I think she's staying there.
Bye. Iya, uwi na sila. Oh, pagod na si Veronica. Kiss na tita. Oh. Kiss. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you on Saturday next. See you. Oh, doon siya nagbabay.
One had 100.
See you, Manette. See you Saturday.
See you next.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, Bob.
Have a good trip back tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, bye. Doon siya magbabay. Oh. Bye.
See you later.
Hi there, Shell, Popcorn,
Rina,
Rena,
Laya,
Laya,
Cynthia and Mansin,
Cynthia and Manson,
Ebreo,
Abreu,
Carissa Camalin,
Teresa Alame,
Paulette Tebereo,
Polenta Arreo,
Loverin Apa,
Lorraine Otto. Don't forget about hashtag turn and we get to be shout out.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.